My latest project here, we're gonna walk in. I'm gonna walk you through everything that's going on, take you room by room so you can see what's going on. It's a duplex, so this is the front house. And then we'll walk to the back house so you can see the back house as well. You ready? I'm ready, let's go. So, kind of got in here. We started with demo, of course, pulling stuff out. I'm moving the hot water heater to the outside. So, not that this is a new style or nothing. We're not putting water heaters on the front porch, but this is going to the outside. But it's a good feature to kind of do when you have a water heater that's on the inside. If you can take it to the outside, that's good, because if they drain, it won't mess up the floors. And if they explode, well, your fire is outside, not inside the house. And that does happen every now and again. At least I've heard. Fortunately, it hasn't happened to me, but that's what we got going on. Nice size front porch. It's like old school. It's a craftsman style home. So this one, you got a really nice front porch here. Good size. We're gonna, of course, paint all this, make it all nice and pretty again. So it'll be good to go. We're gonna head in. So here we got, when you walk in, this used to be the dining area, but now we put the wall up. I'm converting this dining area into a bedroom. So this is going to be another bedroom right here, and we'll kind of see it from the other side. So it creates a little bit of a hallway. And then we also have the other bedroom right here as you come in. We got this bedroom. Really good sized bedroom. A huge bedroom, but a small closet. So I guess when they built houses back then, they had a few rooms, and there would probably be a few people in the room, but closets, I guess clothes weren't as, you couldn't just shop for clothes on Amazon back then like you can now. So the closets are a lot smaller compared to the size of the room. But a good sized room. You can definitely get a California King in here easily. And flat screens on the wall. You got a Jack and Jill style bathroom, which is completely, demo. I'm gonna keep everything pretty much in the same place. So we have the toilet, the sink is there. We got our bathroom right here. It's gonna be a nice bathtub. Shower's already ready to go. You can see it coming in. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. It's coming together. This is the other bedroom with the Jack and Jill style. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back that way, since we got a guy doing some work right there. I'll go back this way. I'll get the dining area, and I'll show you the living room as well. That's where we're gonna go right now. We'll take a look at the new bedroom, which will be the fourth bedroom, and we'll be in the living room. That's what's next. Okay? So we'll step out here. Bang, bang. Fireplace is here. So this is the fireplace. Living space here. So this is our fourth bedroom, which is in the back. So where we just came, that was the living room. There was a living room there, and then they were working in that new bedroom, putting in the closet and a few other features. So this space is going to be a 4-bedroom house. It was a 3-bedroom. Again, we're losing the formal dining area, converting that into an actual bedroom. And this space right here is really good size. It's the kitchen. This is the kitchen that we're in. This is the kitchen. Hello, can you hear me? It's a big kitchen over here. So we got the refrigerator that's going to be there, the stove over here. I'm standing where we're going to put an island. The island's going to be right where I am. And then right here is our sink. Got our sink right here. It's going to look nice. So nice. It's a huge kitchen, so we definitely, I think, would benefit from it being having an island in the space. Move in. All right. Now I'm on the service porch. So we got the washer and dryer hookup that's going to go here, and then on the other side of this wall, there's going to be another bathroom. I'm in the shower right now, so it's going to be the shower. It's going to be the sink over here. There's going to be the toilet over here. So you can kind of get an idea of how things are going to shape up. So toilet, sink, shower, come out, washer and dryer right here. And that's the front house. Oh, we still got the pantry. I mean, there's no food and nothing, no goodies, but that's where the pantry will be. Put some shelves in there, that'll be the pantry. It's gonna look nice. And then we still got, as we walk out of the house, we still got the second house to show you, which is a separate property on the lot. So, as we're coming down these back steps here. There's still quite a bit of demo. Long driveway, by the way. This driveway, man, look at that. All the way to the street where that black truck is. See, out to the street. Well, like an 8-car driveway. Too bad like this isn't closer to SC, because during football season we could utilize that space. I could tell the tenants there's no parking here on Saturdays during football season if we were a little closer. We can utilize that. That's 8 spots. So we got 2 units, 2 completely separate houses on the lot, which is a nice feature to have, because everybody has their own set of privacy. You can see again all the demo that's been going on. I have to haul that out, but let me take you into the back house. It's a little smaller, as you can see, but it's a legit two bedroom, 1 bath. Okay, so we got 2 bedrooms, 1 bath here. So I'm inside the second property. Smaller living room space, but our furnace is going to go here. The wall furnace is going to go here, so we're opening that up. This was the doorway. I'm gonna move this doorway out just a little bit. Maybe, we'll figure it out. But we're gonna open that up maybe about 18 inches or so you have a little bit of space on that one. And then now I'm in the kitchen. Even though this kitchen is pretty quaint, I like it. It's just quaint, but I like it. We got our washer, our sink and the cabinets are going to go here. Refrigerator will be here. Stove will be right here where this gas line is. This will be where the stove is. It'll get a hood and go out. So that's already set up. And then over here we got our dining area. Little small morning breakfast nook. And then we got our washer and dryer hookup over here. So hot water heater, again, was on the inside. This hot water heater we're moving to the outside. We're going to utilize this space as a washer and dryer hookup. Probably, we're going to lose that window, by the way. So we don't need a window here and a window there. That one's letting in enough light. But what I'll end up doing more than likely is this would be a stackable probably instead of a side by side. I don't know if you got enough room for stackable. Maybe if you push it over here, but we'll figure that out. That's the premise. Everything starts with the premise, and then you get in here and you start to see if your premise is going to work. So that's that. We got our two bedrooms. They're pretty simple. We'll go in them just right quick. You can see the size. So now this feels a little bit more like, your average bedroom. It's probably like maybe 12 by 12 or something like that. Whereas the ones in the front house felt a little bigger, maybe like 14 by 12. It felt like you had a little more space. This feels like it's comfortable for maybe a queen, but not necessarily that California king you want to get. And these two bedrooms are almost mirror images of each other. These two are almost mirror images of each other. And you got the closets there as well. So that's that. And then the bathroom. Let me show you this bathroom, which is the last thing here, which we'll look at. So the bathroom, we got our tub, we got our toilet, we got our sink. We're gonna flip-flop the toilet and the tub. Those are going in opposite spots. And we're gonna have a shower right here. So it's gonna be a shower only. Three-quarter bathroom. We'll get rid of that tub, put a shower, move that toilet over there. So that's how that's gonna look. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's shaping up pretty good. So we're over here right now, shooting a little bit. About to meet up with my contractor. Bro, trying to be on film. Getting a plug. Go, man. So we're gonna talk shop, and then I'll go into the details about, like, again, financing, how I found the property, backstory, all the good stuff, exit strategy. I'll talk to you kind of one-on-one about that. Our idea was to have this as a Zoom live, but we ran into a few technical glitches, and I didn't want to hold the workers up while we're trying to film kind of thing. I wanted to get in real quick. At our other property on 6th Avenue, what we did an actual meet and munch at the property. So we had probably about, I'm going to say 30, 40 people come through while the property was in this condition. I mean, we made walkways and taped everything off so that people could walk through. But this is as close as I wanted you to get to it, so that at least you could experience, what the renovation is. Because it's one thing to kind of like see it or hear about it. But again, the Vacant Home Guide is about investing, mentoring, and networking. And we're all at different places. But if, this is something that will help you kind of visualize what it is you're trying to do, then by all means, shadow me on a project. These type of things we post on YouTube. So you can check out our YouTube channel. It's a good library on there as well. I'm Emil Belvin. Stay posted to what we're doing. This is the before. I look forward to showing you the after. Peace.